Hey YouTube, today my video is gonna be on making a fish measuring board, or should I say fish measuring tube. This is a Hypex 4-inch tube, PVC. What I did, find the center on both sides, found the center top side. I measured 5 inches, making a line from the top center on both sides. I measured 1.25 inches, like you see here. Hope you can see this. And after that, first I made like 5-inch line, if I'm right, yeah, but I thought it was too aggressive, so extended it to 8 inches. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and cut the tubing. I'm going to skip the tubing cutting for you. No need for this. I'm going to use a circular saw for the long straight line, and after that I'm going to use the jigsaw to make the small ones. So I'll be back with the tube, all the cutting done. Okay, so did the cut. This is how it looks like. Used a bit of sandpaper, sand all the edges. So that's how it looks now. We'll need to put that sticker at the bottom, but first I'm gonna clean the inside of the tube with alcohol. I'm gonna spray inside the tube and wipe it. That should be good. Okay, I'm gonna put that cap at the end here, so the nose of the fish is gonna hit the cap. We'll just have to do this. The fish gonna measure it. I'm basically doing this for walleye fishing, since here we have legislation that says I can only keep walleyes 14 inches and a half till 21 inch. So doing this only for walleyes, not for pike, bass, whatever. It's basically walleye measuring tube. I noticed that with the cap there's a gap between the end of the tube and the cap, about 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to put the tape backward out 1/8 of an inch, so it should be perfect that way. Going to remove the cap. I'm going to start to try put that sticker, but I think it's going to be pretty hard, since it's a tube. Would have been much easier on a flat surface, but anyway, going to try to do this, and with I hope I'm not going to get much air bubbles on that sticker. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna start 1/8 of an inch. Okay, going to put the cap. Of course, you can glue the cap, but I'm going to put 2 little screws. So if I want to remove it for whatever the reason in the future, I will be able. I'm not going to glue it. So I'm just going to test it with a tape. If I did a good job. So, as you can see, it is right on the spot, right there. So, for the rest of it, I'm going to remove all the lines of, I don't know if I'm going to paint this. This is just a tool to measure walleye after all, so you can paint that with special paint for PVC. But I'm going to be happy with that. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave it a comment. Maybe you can share this with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.